Okay, got the Norvina palette for Christmas. I thought I would just create a look using these pretty colors. I actually didn't have this one, and I don't have Sultry. So, let's see. I know that's old. Trying it out. I'm going to be taking, I don't even know what look I'm going to do. Let's do purpley look. Clean my brush. Okay, first I'm going to go in with base. For the base. Really powdery. Which is not bad. Take out the sticker. So I'm going to put that all over my lids. Base all over the lid. Next is, let's do Love, which is, I'm gonna go like this one right here. Closer. Love. Look at how powdery it is. Ooh. Nothing wrong with that though. So I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. And then I'm using my Sigma E40 blending brush. Just in the crease. A little bit more. Really pretty color. Should I do it all matte look or nah? I'm gonna go all out. And then with the Sigma Diffuse Crease E38, clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with Soul. I'm gonna go with Soul, which is this purpley one right here. Let's see how Soul looks on my crease and outer corner. Really light purple. Really pretty colors though. Like is it a shimmer? It looks kind of shimmery, but maybe it's not. I don't know. Always try to smile, Tiffany. I'm trying to get better at this YouTube for 2019. So if you have any ideas, any tips, go for it. Leave it on my comments. That way I can get better at this. Ooh, I love the way they blend together. Let's add more love on the top. Beautiful. They're blending so good. I always love Anastasia palettes. I'm gonna finish one eye first. Let me add a little bit more to the crease to deepen it. I'm actually gonna add more inside in the inner corner just to add shimmer in the middle. I hardly do any looks like that. So, something different. I like it. So, Now what do? Because I don't want to mess this up. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then we're gonna do the under eyes. The under eyes will deepen up. So I'm gonna be going in with, do I do it with this one? Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna be going with the flat definer E15 from Sigma. And then I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this shade right here. This one right here. For underneath my lash line. I always apply the shadow like that. And then I blend it out with my favorite blending for underneath the lash line, E36. Get some more a shadow and then I blend it a lot more. It's perfect for under the lash line because it's not harsh and it's really easy to blend shadow. And it doesn't get in my eyeballs. See? Okay, I'm also gonna take Soul, which is that purple color we used earlier, and put a little bit underneath the lash line. Ooh, should I take Love? Oh, what the heck, let's add some love underneath the lash line. There's some fallout right here. I don't know how this ended up like that, but whatever. Now I'm going to cut the crease in the middle. Let's see, I'm going to use eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. I'll just use, no, maybe I'll just in the center. I need this mirror. I see everybody that. It never works for me. Just to blend those edges with Soul. And then I'm gonna use the other side of this one, and I'm gonna use, which shadow should we use? I'm gonna do a purple. We're gonna use a Drama, which is this one right here. Let's do it deep, dark. I don't know how I feel about that. Shoot. I'm gonna try to use rose gold on top of that one. Oh yeah, much better. There we go. And where is the one I blended? Let's blend those harsh edges. I have lots of fallout from the glitter. Shimmer, I mean. There we go. I love it. With the rose gold, not Drama. Inner corner. Should I do dazzling? Ooh, yeah. Right, pencil brush. Pencil brush. We're gonna use dazzling, which is this really pretty pinkish, goldish shimmer. Let's wet the brush. Much better. All right. That's my eye. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Finished the eyes. Added House of Lashes Allura Light. And then that's all I did. And next I'm gonna go in for my lips. I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick, Sigma in New Mod. I love these liquid lipsticks. They feel so light on your lips. And they're not drying. So that's New Mod from Sigma. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna add this Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Jelly Lip Gloss on top of it. Okay. So Moon Jelly Lip Gloss. So that is that. And then we fix our hair, and then we have to do, like, you know, nice looks. Just kidding. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Mermist Shimmering Spray. Really pretty. My look, purpley look. And that completes this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.